All right, Beckett. What are we harvesting right now? Grain. We did this experiment, right? Yeah. And you're cutting off all the heads of grain. Get down low enough. Get down low enough. So we're going to pick all this, and this is just going to be seed stock, right? We're not going to use it. These are going to be seeds for next year. Or a year later. Yeah, let's be more careful. Be more careful, you're okay. Come on, let's go.
Ow. Gosh.
Hold the top of it.
Well, sure, I got cut last time, so no.
See? This is a spot we just threw some grain in it was like 8-year-old seed, so we wanted to try to repropagate it. And not all of it came up, but it's kind of what I expected. But funny enough, some potatoes from last year have grown themselves up. So, but we're going to load them into this pillowcase, and Beckett's going to beat the crap out of the pillowcase.
Why?
Because it's going to make the seeds go out. And then when it's windy, maybe tomorrow, because it's not real windy today, we will pour it out to separate the seed from the chaff.
I'm going to beat the crap out of it.
You are going to beat the crap out of it. Right now you need to get all the seeds, okay? There you go, see? All right, so we're getting some grain seed that we'll put in our seed stock, and
I'm going to beat the crap out of it.
And he's going to beat the crap out of it. All right, take care.